Hi there, this is me again, and in this video I'm going to give you the third assignment, which is based on loops and all the concepts that you have learned till now, including Armstrong numbers, perfect numbers, as well as palindrome numbers, and loops and conditions, all those stuffs. Okay, so this assignment is basically very simple. It may look simple, but it has elements that I haven't taught yet. So your task is to figure it out using the internet. If you cannot, do not worry, I'll give you the assignment video like always, okay? But you guys please try it, because at a higher level no one will teach you these few small things. You will have to search it on your own in the internet. Okay, the internet is your biggest friend here, and you will have to search on the internet about the things that you do not know, but you have to perform those things. Now the program is basically very simple, and I'm going to explain it to you. So all you have to do is to take user input. You have to ask the user to give some sort of number, and then you will have to print all the infos about the number. You have to check the number, if the number is a palindrome number, if the number is an Armstrong number, if the number is a if it is a perfect number, if it is a even number or odd number, and how many digits are inside it. Okay, all these things you have to count. And the the tricky part is this program will keep on executing until you tell the program to stop. So how you do it? So let's see this in action. I have already written the program. I won't show you the code. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but this is just for your own good. Okay, so let's run the program. And one other thing, guys, please learn how to run a program in the terminal, because this is gonna come very handy. So here is the terminal. I hope you guys know how to run a program in the terminal itself. So let's start. So this is the program, and I'm gonna run it using this py command, which basically means, hey Python interpreter, run this program. Okay, and this is the path of the program where the program is stored. So let's run it. Okay, know your number. It starts with this message: know your number. Enter your number. Let's say I enter 121. As you can see, 3 info found for the number 121. What are the 3 info? First, it is a 3-digit number. Second, it is an odd number, and third, it is a palindrome number. Okay. Now, do you want to continue? It will ask for this. If you do not, if you do not enter y, okay. Let's say you enter nothing. You just press enter. Here you just press enter right now. So this would actually end the program. Okay. So you have to enter y in order to continue. Let's run it again. Enter a number, and our number is 28. 3 info found for this number 28. Okay, it is a 2-digit number, it is an even number, it is a perfect number, and it then asks, do you want to continue? Yes. Again, know your number, enter your number. Let's say our number is what to say, let's say our number is 153. Okay, 3 info found for the number 153. It is a 3-digit number, it is an odd number, it is an Armstrong number. Okay, and now it asks, do you want to continue? If I say no, okay, and this n is actually option. If you press anything other than y, it will end the program. Okay, you only have to enter y, and that too uppercase Y, if you want if you want this program to continue. Okay, So let's run it again. Let's say I enter 4 this time. 4 info found for the number 4. Okay, it is a 1-digit number, it is an even number, it is a palindrome number, and it is an Armstrong number. Because every single digit is an Armstrong number. Remember I told you? Because 1 digit, so that means 4 to the power of 1 gives you 4. That means every single digit is an Armstrong number, and it is also the palindrome number. Okay, so that's it. And if you enter, let's say 6, okay, 5 info found for the number 6. So what are those? It is a 1-digit number, it is an even number, it is a palindrome number, it is a perfect number, it is an Armstrong number. Every number is an Armstrong number, every single digit number is an Armstrong number, okay? It is also a palindrome number, obviously, because it has only 1 digit, and all the 1-digit numbers are actually palindrome numbers also. It is a perfect number because 2 plus 3 plus 1 gives you 6. And it is an even number, and it is a 1-digit number. So as you can see, these total are 5. That means there are 5 infos. See, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 info found for the number 6. Okay. Now another thing, as you can see, you have to display this whole thing, only after you enter the number, and that too all at once, right? All at once. And I am emphasizing on these sentences because these are actually hints what you have to do. Okay, this is one print statement. That's the hint. That's it. I'm not gonna tell you anything more after that. And then let's say I press Z. Okay, so it will basically end the program, right? So that is the program, guys. Okay, let the camera. Okay, yeah, hi. So that was the program, guys. Code it and try it on your own. If you cannot, no problem, I'm there to help you guys. So try it out, check it out, and see you in the next video. And next video will be about functions, okay, or maybe it about strings, but let's see. I think a function would be better, so I would move on to function, and then the next video will be on strings. Okay, till then, goodbye, namaste.